This video will show you how to quickly import a PowerPoint or a PDF into the Whiteboard software so you can utilize all the tools that Whiteboard has to offer. So here I am, I've signed into Whiteboard. I've got nothing on it. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to minimize this. I'm going to go to the folder that contains a PowerPoint, in this case the Marshall Plan. I'm going to right click and choose Copy. I'm going to open Whiteboard back up, and what I'm going to do, two ways to do this. You can do Control V to paste, or go to your clipboard and press the clipboard. You can see it's processing it right here, and now I can choose which slides to bring in. In this case, I'm going to do Select All. I'm going to leave this as Import as Object, and I'm just going to recommend that you do that every time. Background gets a little messy. And in this case, import landscape. Since it's a PowerPoint, I press here. It's going to go through, bring in all my slides. And now, all these slides are imported. I can use my pens. I can use any kind of highlighting tools that I want to use. And this presentation is ready to go. So now, let's take a look at how to import in a PDF. It's pretty much the same thing. So I'm going to go to my folder. I'm going to click this icon here to start a new blank presentation. Do I want to save it? In this case, no. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to minimize. I already have my folder open with my resources. And I am going to right click, choose Copy. You could do Control C. Go back here to my Whiteboard. Again, there is no right click option here, so you can do Control V or go to the clipboard and press. It processes. Select all. Keep it as object. Choose what layout you want. These happen to all be portrait, so I'm just going to choose portrait. It's going to run through all of them. And now all of my PDF pages are here. So I can simply click right on through, start doing my annotations. So this is how you import in a Word document, PDF, Google Slide, PowerPoint. Simply find the file you want, copy it, then paste it right into Whiteboard.